We're looking here at an attractive facsimile, 19th century facsimile edition of the very first New York City directory. It's the first typographical facsimile of the very first New York City directory. And it has as a frontis a large folding lithographed city plan of lower Manhattan with a key identifying 38 specific buildings at the top left. As you can see, it's still clean and folds nicely facing the title page as issued. There are several preliminary pages of an almanac, followed by eclipses, monetary tables of conversion for dollars, and here we have various types of coins from different countries and gold, etc., and guineas converted, where we then get into the directory itself, naming and locating every person with their occupation. It's in a nice period blind stamped cloth binding, and it's currently available on my website, briandemambro.com.